What's up, y'all? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Yeezy once again, back in 2020 with the Yeezy QNTM basketball. So say less with all this talking, let's get straight to these shoes. We cannot have All-Star Weekend in Chicago without highlighting Yeezy. So one of the main, most hype releases of the NBA All-Star Weekend 2020 was the Yeezy QNTM. So you'll see the box top right here. So you see the QNTM, QNTM of course. No relation to Quantum Leap, but I actually really do love that show. But let me know what you guys think in the comments of these. And here we have, and they're actually pretty cool to me, the Yeezy Basketball QNTM. Ironically enough, this shoe did release during All-Star Weekend when many believed that the NBA would ban these shoes due to the reflective hits throughout the entire shoe. But you'll see right here, one of the first kickoffs is the suede overlay in the toe area. And as we get to the outer panel and we discuss those reflective hits that I talked to you about, so the reflective detailing is actually under, like an underlay of this. So within these mesh hits here, and you take a nice shot with your phone, or if you get caught in the light, you'll see the reflective detailings under here. And the back panel of the shoe, which doesn't have any pull tab, but it features full 3M throughout this back panel. And as we get to the midsole, outsole, once again, the translucent hit that runs right into the 3M hit. And the inner panel pretty much mirrors the outer panel in regards to the 3M aesthetic on the upper layer, and the midsole area with the translucent into another 3M hit. As we get to the outsole, fully translucent outsole that you see here. And then we have the boost that runs throughout the full midsole outsole. And as you can look at these, the aesthetic kind of reminds you of the Yeezy 700 Azale that I have right here in my hand. So you'll see the detailing and aesthetic between the two that is very similar. So this is a low cut silhouette, and of course this is high cut. But as we look in the toe detailing areas, you'll see the suede overlay there that mirrors the overlay in the Yeezy 700 Azale. But please let me know what you guys think in the comments of the brand new Yeezy QNTM basketball shoe. I actually think it's pretty fly, but you guys also know I really love high tops, so maybe I'm a little biased. But we have these along with multiple other Yeezy styles available right here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and now of course Instagram TV. Make sure you download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms, and do not forget to check out Stadium Women on Instagram. And last but not least, to shop these and any other Yeezy style we have, please make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and